And we're back at Old Trafford for a brand new season, with Garnacho telling us to keep the volume down, which will be pretty hard to do as Old Trafford is the most atmospheric stadium in the world, with Bruno signalling that if we're not singing his song, he's not going to listen, and with Rashford telling us to rack our brains and think of some more creative songs.
Yesterday, take me on.
And who else agrees that Country Roads needs to be played when the stadium is absolutely jam-packed and the players are just about ready to come out. I mean, it kind of fell flat with the stadium only half full. But yeah, I'll carry on singing on my own. And things might change everywhere in society, but one thing that is guaranteed is that the atmosphere will always be absolutely top-notch at Old Trafford. United actually started the game pretty brightly. Mount, Garnacho and Anthony were combining really well, but as with Arsenal a few years ago, rather than giving the ball a good old whack, we seem to be wanting to pass the ball into the net. The fans were frustrated as a handball appeal fell on deaf ears. Wolves had a couple of counter-attacks. That was it for the half, and it was now time for two fan favourites at Old Trafford, Mike Richards and Jamie Redknapp, to battle it out in a penalty shootout.
You fat bastard! You fat bastard! You fat bastard!
Yeah, I know, it's not nice to fat shame, but look, the goalkeeper was encouraging us, and Micah seemed to take it in good spirits.
You fat bastard! You fat bastard! Shit, Gary Neville! Shit, Gary Neville!
And the crap display that Richards and Redknapp put on in that box seems to have jinxed it, as everyone's legs seemed to have turned to jelly. And is it only me that can't tell the difference between Garnacho, Mount and Anthony? Again, frustration swept around Old Trafford as we dilly-dallied around the box, which then turned into pure joy as Varane put us 1-0 up. Frustration soon returned though, before Sideshow Bob decided to interrupt proceedings. More heartburn was on the menu as Wolves, for the first time in the game, decided to attack in packs. Attack after attack ensued before this guy thought he was scooping some ice cream. We thought the referee was going to check the VAR screen. This lady was relieved. And in the end, that's 3 points in the bag. The quadruple charge is on, and if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, share it, comment if you like, and then get the out of here. Peace.